How to fix YouTube Recap 2025 not showing up. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for YouTube and make sure the YouTube application is updated to its latest version in order to be able to use all the latest features of YouTube. Next, go ahead and open YouTube and then swipe up on the screen and force quit the app along with all the apps running in the background, as this will give the app a fresh restart. See if you are able to see the YouTube recap now or not, and if not, then go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to the YouTube application and tap on it, and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Doing this will clear the cache in the application. You can then go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. Next fix is open YouTube again and then tap on the U option at the bottom. Make sure that you are signed in to the correct Google account, and if not, then you can switch between accounts. Also, make sure that you have watched enough videos or music in 2025 in order to be able to view your YouTube recap. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix YouTube Recap 2025 not showing up. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.